its ways untrue, I shall wash it clean anew. Yet Noah stood both bold and bright, a man of faith, of steadfast might, built the abode both broad and strong, for beasts and kin to dwell along. The